you want to promote hair growth and at the same time you'd like to stop hair fall and hair linkage, my dear, this is the best remedy for you, because I'm going to show you how you can use coconut oil, red onion and ginger to improve the growth of your hair. Trust me, this home recipe is very powerful and it doesn't have side effects, and trust me, it works 100%. Besides that, it softens your hair and it increases the circulation of blood. And without wasting time, let us start mixing our ingredients. We are starting with red onion. Just get for me one piece like this one, not too big, not very small, but medium size. Okay, trust me, red onion is good for your hair growth and it improves circulation of the blood and at the same time hair fall. So we are going to clean our red onion by removing the outer parts. As you see, guys, this is a powerful remedy. You need to try it at home for your hair treatment. So you have been asking me this video. Today I decided to upload this video on my channel. So I want you to try out this home recipe and you will be my witness. After cleaning your red onion, grate it because we need its juice, guys. But trust me, for hair growth, to prevent hair fall, to prevent leakage of your hair, my dear, this is the best recipe for you. But as usual, please subscribe, invite your friends to my YouTube channel, and of course leave a comment in the comment section. And you can be friends on TikTok as Coach Uganda, Facebook as Coach Uganda. Yes, remember on this channel I upload videos only for ladies. This is our red onion which I have crushed. So you have to put it aside. You need fresh ginger, just one piece like this one, not too big, not too small, but medium size. Make sure that you clean your ginger, remove the outer parts of your ginger. Guys, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and of course invite your friends to my YouTube channel, and why not subscribe to my YouTube channel. After, do the same. Grate your ginger together. Trust me, this home recipe is very powerful and you'll be shocked with the results. As you see, this is our ginger and at the same time red onion. Make sure that you filter and get its juice, both for onion and ginger. Trust me, if you have been fighting for hair growth, this home recipe is very powerful and it will help you to promote your hair growth and to prevent hair fall, to prevent hair leakage, and at the same time to soften your hair. As you see, this is our juice, onion juice, and at the same time ginger juice. Okay, I want you to get for me coconut oil, guys. We need coconut oil, and for coconut oil, just be warm, not cold, but warm coconut oil, guys. So we need only 4 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons for our coconut oil. So this is 1, these are 2, 3, and 4. So as you see, like you see, our remedy is changing color after putting coconut oil. Trust me, some recipe will stop hair fall, hair leakage, promotes hair growth, and at the same time prevents or promotes hair smoothness. We need olive oil. We're just going to add only 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Just 1 tablespoon, guys. Just 1 tablespoon. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil is enough. But trust me, this is amazing recipe, powerful recipe, which doesn't have side effects. Trust me. And after using this home recipe for 4 weeks, you'll be shocked with the results, and you'll come here to be my witness. But before I tell you how to use this home recipe, my dear, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda. Leave a comment in the comment section, and of course, invite your friends to my YouTube channel for such amazing videos. I told you, this channel is for ladies, so don't miss out such amazing videos which I always upload for you. Okay, then from that, as you see our home remedy, I want you to apply this home remedy on your scalp, okay? On your scalp, and at the same time on the roots of your hair. Massage gently in circular motion for 5 to 10 minutes. I repeat, apply this home recipe on your scalp and at the same time on the roots of your hair. Massage in circular motion like the way I'm doing right now for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, from that, leave that home recipe to stand on your scalp and at the same time on the roots of your hair for 1 hour, guys. I repeat, for 1 hour. And then from that, use mild shampoo and clean your hair. And do what? And clean your hair. From that, dry your hair and apply the moisturizer you have been using for your hair. Then I want you to repeat the procedure at least 2 to 3 days in the week. 2 to 3 days in the week. You can do it on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, or Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so long as there are 3 days in the week. But for the best results, I recommend you to use this home recipe when you are going to sleep. It means you apply it on your scalp and at the same time on the roots of your hair at night. It means you can apply this home recipe on your scalp and at the same time on the roots of your hair at night when you are going to sleep. And then in the morning, you can clean your hair using mild shampoo. Repeat the procedure 3 days in the week. It can be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, or Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Trust me, for hair growth, for hair leakage, hair fall, smoothing your hair, this is the best recipe for you guys. This doesn't lie. This works 100%, guys. Why not? I'm Coach Uganda. God bless you. Bye-bye. See you again. Ciao, ciao.